Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something we all do every single day. Communication. It is more than just talking. Communication is the foundation of connection, understanding, and building relationships. Without it, no community or society can function effectively. Communication has many forms, but it can be grouped into two major types: verbal and nonverbal communication. Verbal communication involves spoken or written words. For example, when we answer in class, chat with friends, or write emails. Nonverbal communication includes gestures, facial expressions, posture, and even tone of voice. A simple smile, a raised eyebrow, or even silence can send a strong message. But here's the challenge. Miscommunications happens when messages are unclear or when people don't listen carefully. That's why effective communication requires not only speaking, but also listening with understanding. A good communicator is also a good listener. In today's digital age, technology has transformed the way we communicate. Social media, messaging apps, and emails allow us to connect instantly. But we must remember that while online communication is inconvenient, face-to-face conversations remain powerful because they allow us to feel emotions and sincerity in real time. To conclude, communication is the key to cooperation and unity. If we express ourselves clearly and listen with empathy, we can strengthen relationships, avoid conflicts, and build a more connected society. So, let's all strive to become not just speakers, but effective communicators. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.